In this series, we cover beginner-friendly flies that are easy to tie and always catch fish on the river or lake. These videos are part of my one-on-one fly tying classes, so they will go into deeper detail on tools, materials, and techniques. If you're interested in a private fly tying class, reach out to me on www.beaverlakeflyfishing.com. Thanks for watching. This is the tried and true David Knowles Root Beer Midge. There's also the Ruby Midge and the Diamond Midge. Everybody seems to really like the root beer the most. It's been catching trout on the White River tailwaters for a very long time. We're going to use a 140 dark brown UTC. Go ahead and thread it on through there. We're using a TMC 100 barbless in a size 18 with a 5/64 tungsten bead. The body's going to be that hollow tinsel in brown in the medium size, and then we're using an embroidery floss here. The only place I've ever found this is at McClellan's Fly Shop in Fayetteville, Arkansas, but this is what you need for the ribbing. Throw that hook in the vise at an angle. Here's a good tip. Really small beads, use forceps to pick it up, and then also put that smaller diameter side onto the hook point. It's a whole lot easier than trying to do it with your fingers. Start out skinny base of thread. You can also use a 70 denier thread here if the 140 gets a little too thick. We're going to tie in that thread, that embroidery floss. Again, just going to wrap it up. You want a good even body on this fly. Then we're going to go right back down with that hollow tinsel. All we're going to do is in succession wrap up that hollow tinsel all the way up behind the bead. Creates a nice flashy underbody. Run our thread wraps over the top of that to secure it. And cut our excess off. And again, this being a midge pattern, you want tight cuts when it comes to your excess. We're going to use that embroidery, threading, floss, whatever it is, as the ribbing. You want to try to have 4 to 6 differentiated ribs along the way up to the bead. What's nice about that stuff as well is it'll fray as you catch more fish. People say that the more it frays, the more you'll catch fish. Then we're just going to whip finish on the end. Cut the excess of both. And that is the Root Beer Midge.